Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. So today in this video I'm going to show you how to buy gift card with Apple Pay. So let's get into the video. So I'm going to go to my Apple Store. So you can either use the app or even access it on Safari or your browser. So you can just access the Apple Store. So once I'm in my Apple Store here, so I've logged into my account. So if you have an account, you can log in. And then what I'm going to do here, so I'm going to search for a gift card. I'm going to buy a gift card. So I'm going to go search and then search for a gift card. So for example here, just type in gift card and then search it. So when I search it, so what I'm going to do, I'm going to simply get a gift card, an e-gift card, so that it's pretty instant. So I'm going to choose one, just select it, and then you can just do all this, select all these requirements for use, and then the amount, just top it up with whatever amount I want. For example, $50 is fine. And then who I'm going to send this to, I'll just send it to myself, so that's fine. And then just type in the email address of the recipient, so I'll just do it to myself, that's fine. And then that's done, and you can add your messages if you want. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to hit on done, go to add to bag, get it to my bag. So now when I get to my bag here, so now when I get to this checkout page here for the payment method, I'm going to use my Apple Pay. So if I'm going to use my Apple Pay, so all I have to do is simply click on buy with Apple Pay. So simply tap on buy with Apple Pay, and this will take you to your it will take you to your Apple Pay, and then complete the transaction through this. So you'll get to this page here. So you just have to agree to the terms and everything and hit on continue with Apple Pay, and that's it. The payment will be made through Apple Pay. So that's pretty much it is. Hope this video is helpful to you all. I'll see you in another video. Thank you.